A lot of people asking me how to get their link approved in Warriorplus. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your link approved in the Warriorplus, and this is the exact method that I use, guys, to get my link approved in Warriorplus as a complete beginner, and I'm going to show you that in this video. Keep watching. Alright guys, now it's really impossible to make money with affiliate marketing if you're trying to promote Warriorplus offers, because these vendors, guys, will not gonna approve you if you don't have any kind of sales record or sales history within the Warriorplus. So it's really impossible for you to be able to make money if you cannot get your link approved, or if you don't have a sales record or sales history. And just like I said in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your link approved, and this is the exact method that I use to get my link approved as a complete beginner, right? So there are a couple of reasons why your link will not get approved, and alright guys, so I'm gonna break it down for you. I'm gonna open up a document right here, right? So how to get your link approved in Warriorplus, right? I have a couple of steps right here. So the step one, guys, is I need you guys to create a brand new Warriorplus account, right? So step one is create a brand new Warriorplus account, right? This should be the first step, guys, that you should need to, for you to be able to get a high chance to get your link approved when you're trying to promote Warriorplus offers. So that's the first step. So if you have an old account, you may want it to consider creating a brand new account, right? So that's the first step. The second step, guys, is second step, this is the crucial part of getting your link approved, is to optimize your profile, right? So we need to optimize your profile, and I'm going to show you how to do that, right? Optimize your profile. So once your account is ready, you already created your account within Warriorplus. So I need you guys to hover over to your account right here and click on my account. It's gonna bring you guys to this page right here, and this is where you optimize your profile, because if you don't optimize your profile, you will not get the high chance of getting your link approved. So it's really important that you do this, right? So you would click on edit profile right here, click on edit profile, and this is where you optimize your account, right? So the first step, guys, is you need to upload an image right here. So your profile image, you don't want to, now you can use any kind of other image like a logo, but I really encourage you guys to use your own branding, use your own image, photos, your own profile picture that has this beautiful background right here. Now you can go to this website right here. The name of this website is Profile Pic Maker. So what you need to do, guys, is you would upload your image right here. It's gonna create you this beautiful looking avatar profile pic right here that you can use, and this is the exact tool that I use, guys, to create this image right here, right? Which is really, really cool, right? So you would upload your image right here and download that image, and then upload that image right here. So it's really important, guys, that you put in an image right here to represent your brand or to represent yourself, because if the vendor doesn't know you, they don't like you, you don't want to show your face, they will likely not going to approve you. It's really important to show your face right here, that they know you, you're not a robot, you're a real person, you're a real guy, and you're not trying to scam. Alright, so it's really important that you need to do this, right? Next step, guys, is you need to put in your information right here, because a lot of people, a lot of newbies out there trying to create a Warriorplus account, they don't put their information. They just create an account because they really wanted to make money. They just create an account, they don't complete their profile information. What you need to do, guys, put in your full name right here. This is my full name, this is my location, and I put a short bio right here. So this is me, my name is Jercallora, a stay-at-home dad, making 200 to 500 per day, helping daddies and mommies. You can put in whatever you want right here, and my company name, and then company title right here. Put in all the necessary information right here, guys. That way when the vendor sees your application to get your link approved, they're gonna see that you're a real person and you don't know what you need to do, right? So I just basically copy this information right here from this and to this, and I put in my website right here and my YouTube channel right here and my your traffic source. Basically the next step, basically, so once you complete all this information right here, guys, and I really encourage you to connect your Twitter account right here. That way you can also see that you link your social media account right here. You can link your Google, LinkedIn. Now I already linked my Twitter account right here, but you can link your Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google right here, right? So you can just link one or two. It doesn't really matter. Just link at least one, alright? So once you've done that, guys, click on update profile, and then the next step, guys, alright, the step number 3, alright? So that's the step number 2 to optimize your profile, and it's really crucial, guys, for long-term process, for long-term success. Because if you don't want to do this, you don't want to get succeed, right? So if you really wanted to succeed with affiliate marketing, you're gonna have to do this. You're gonna have to do your branding, right? Because if the vendor doesn't see that you're not willing to commit, you're not willing to put in your all information right here, that means you're not willing to succeed. You're not willing to make money, or not willing to promote his offer, and you cannot drive quality traffic. So it's really important that you do this, right? The next step, guys, is to step number 3 is to set up your traffic source, right? Set up your traffic source, right? Now the traffic source that I use, guys, is YouTube, right? One of the main traffic source that I use is YouTube, and I put that right here, right? I put that right there. You can set up your, it doesn't really matter what traffic source that you'll be using. Like there are free traffic sources, like it can be paid traffic or free traffic. Like if you wanted to use free traffic, then use TikTok, TikTok, Instagram Reels. So these are free traffic. So let me remove this one. Free traffic, right? So it can be YouTube. So it can be YouTube, right? And once you create your free traffic source, like let's say YouTube or TikTok, right? TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Alright, so these are free traffic sources, but there are thousands of free traffic. But the main source, or the main traffic source that I really encourage you to consider is YouTube and TikTok. So all these are really powerful traffic source. So you may want to use all of them, but I use YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Alright, I mainly use this traffic source right here. But basically I need you guys to set up your free traffic, and then you can go to your YouTube right here and optimize your YouTube account, like this one right here. So I basically optimized my YouTube account right here. So this one, I have this banner right here, and then I have this make money online with affiliate marketing, because this is my niche. Put in your image right here. You may want it to be consistent, to put in your branding right here, image right here, right? And then what you need to do, guys, is you would go back right here to your long bio right here, and you put your channel right here, or your free traffic source or traffic source. It can be your website. So I have the website right here, but it can be your website. How you'll be able to bring your traffic. So I actually put that right here, my YouTube channel. And another thing that you can do, guys, is you can set up your free traffic from Facebook. So you would go to Facebook, right? It's gonna open up a Facebook right here. Alright, and I'm gonna click on my profile right here. See my profile right here. So as you can see, guys, my profile is optimized as well. So I am consistent right here. So I have the same color, the same branding, same image right here. What you can also do is you can connect your Facebook right here. That way they can see that you have your Facebook account connected, and you have other traffic source right here, and you can optimize also your profile right here, your bio. I actually put my other website right here, which is jercallora.com. You can also do that right here. That way when the vendor see that you're applying for approval for the link, they see that you're a real person, you know exactly what you're doing, and you can send them sales. Because there's no reason if they approve you if you cannot send them sales, right? So it's really important that you put in all this necessary information right here for you to be able to get your link, to get a high chance to get your link approved, right? So this is the exact step that I use, guys, to get my link approved as a complete beginner. And all you have to do, guys, is take action. All you have to do is set up all these steps right here that is needed to get your link approved, right? Link approved. Another thing that you can do is when you apply for your approval for your link, you're gonna have to be real. You're not faking it, because other affiliate marketers, other newbies, they're like saying like they have these thousands of dollars and millions of followers on YouTube, millions of traffic sources. You don't have to fake it. I actually like putting like a really simple message, like for example this one right here. I'm gonna click on request right here. I'm gonna click on this person. I'm gonna try to get my link. I'm gonna say I'm gonna copy his name. So this is his name right here. I'm gonna copy his name. His name is James. So what I can do is I can like, hey James, right? I will be sending traffic, from my small growing email list, something like that, and put in like best jercallora, or put in something like really simple, guys. I'll be sending traffic. I will be sending an evergreen traffic from YouTube, right? From my YouTube content, or from your YouTube, or from TikTok content. It doesn't really matter, how are you going to send traffic, because if you're gonna send traffic, it's not gonna approve you, right? And once you see your application right here, so let's say you will be sending an evergreen traffic from my YouTube channel or YouTube content, and then put in like all the best, or put in like I really appreciate if you could approve, or if you can approve my link, right? If you could approve my link. And this is the exact message that I use, guys. And I'll put in like all the best, Jer, or good luck on your launch. Say something like good luck on your launch. Good luck on your launch. I'm happy to be part of it. I'm happy to be a part of it, or part of it. Alright, you can just keep it real, alright? You don't have to fake it. Just like I said, other newbies, they're trying to fake it. They're trying to like, and the vendor is gonna see that you're trying to fake it. So you don't have to do that. Just keep it real, keep it simple, and be yourself. You don't have to fake it, alright? So put in like your name, all the best, and jercallora. Put in your name, jercallora, and then click on request for approval, and you should be able to request. And this method will get you a high chance to get your link approved. I'm not saying that this will give you 100%, but this is gonna get you guys high chance to get your link approved. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you guys getting your link approved in Warriorplus, right? But if you guys wanted to get fast results with affiliate marketing and make more money, make more high ticket sales, I really encourage you guys to join me in a free affiliate marketing program, which is a 90-minute challenge. This course is 100% free. You can sign up your account right here, and start learning the secrets of affiliate marketing, and start making high ticket commission sales using this program. And just like I said, this is 100% free. You can learn the secrets with affiliate marketing, promoting high ticket sales, and make money with affiliate marketing. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload a money making strategy like this to help you guys make money online. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.